Guys, welcome back. It is drift day today. We are in the garage. We're getting the car ready. We just got to put some fuel in it, start her up, make sure there's no issues with the fuel lines, and if there's no issues, then we are good to go. I've already picked up the trailer, load her up on the trailer, load the tyres and the tools, and let's make our way to Eastern Creek. I can't wait. And I'm not gonna lie, I am nervous as hell, but you know, I think it's a normal thing to be nervous when, you know, you're about to take your car on the track and give it a hiding. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully all good, fingers crossed. And let's go. Let's start her up. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here at Eastern Creek. It is packed out here. There are people everywhere. It's so sick. We're about to offload the car now and then drive it over there, go get scrutinied, and then get stuck into the track. All right, listen to that. So sick. Let's go. All right, so we just got the car scrutinied. You have no idea. I couldn't even get it off the track. I couldn't get it off the trailer. The car would not go in reverse. So there's something going on with my gearbox. So that's something that I need to look at later. Hopefully the gearbox holds out for the rest of the night. But this is pretty sick. Like the whole track setup here. I'll just show you the track setup now. Hey.
can't keep my eyes open. Holy shit.
Alright guys, a bit of a heads up. I'm about to miss a gear, so if you like the sound of teeth grinding, keep the volume up. If you don't like it, I advise you to turn it down. Alright, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Guys, I'm telling you, this is so sick. The car is running so good. I just did a few laps. I just changed the tires as well, and the car is running immaculate. It is on the track here. When you come out of the pits and you come straight down here, and then you hook this left, there's a wet patch, and as soon as you hit the wet patch, it just slides straight out even more. It's dangerous. It just flicks your ass end out. So, but over the hill, and as you got a left to right up the S bend and around the back, it's sick. The track is sick. I've never drifted South Circuit, but let me tell you, I'm coming back to drift this again. The car is holding up well. I'm so happy about it. And I just can't say anything else right now. We're just going to keep going on the track and stay tuned. We've got a bit of time left. I think we've got about an hour and a bit left. So just get out there, do a few more laps in it, let it cool down at the moment, take it out a few more times, and then that's it, mate. Pack it up and go home. So stay tuned. guys, it is done. We have finished at this track day. The car is back on the trailer. The car has never driven better than what it does now. And I have not, out of all the years that I've been drifting, I have not had a better track experience or as much track time as I did tonight ever. So I'm stoked. The car went really well. There are things I need to check over, but for now, like, the car went amazing and I'm so happy with it. And I can't wait to continue and go on the next one and the next one after that and the next one after that. So I just want to say thanks for watching. It was amazing and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.